Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to learn another type of asexual propagation such as layering. So what is layering? Layering may be described as modified cutting. That means layering is a method of vegetative propagation of plants, usually with flexible limbs in which roots are generated on the limbs before being severed for planting as an independent plant. So here you can see the types of layering. Layering is mainly two types: natural layering and human aided layering. Then natural layering such as tip layering, runners, suckers, crowns, etc. Then human aided layering such as simple layering, serpentine layering, trench layering, mound layering, air layering. Natural layering, runner, sucker, crowns, these are already discussed in the previous video, and the link of that video is given in the description box. Please check out that video first. And in this video we are going to learn this human aided layering such as simple layering. So here you can see in the picture the simple layering. Simple layering method of propagation is easier to employ in species that produce long flexible shoots that arise from the plant at ground level, because it requires the part to be layered to bend to touch the ground. Here you can see that this portion is touched the ground, and we can easily root formation occurs by covering the soil. Easily we can produce a new plant from this portion. So this is the simple layering. Then serpentine layering. Serpentine layering is sometimes called compound layering because several layers can be obtained from one shoot that is anchored to be ground. The flexible shoot is anchored to the soil and various sides rather than buried along the entire length. Here we can see that a shoot is anchored and buried at selected parts. In selected parts, shoot is anchored and buried in the ground. Then after rooting and development of new shoot, loops are severed to produce individual plants. So these are going to be a individual plant. So this is the serpentine layering. Then trench layering. Trench layering is the midsection of flexible stem is buried in the soil after nicking in several places. Here you can see this is the flexible stem or portion of a plant, then shoot nicked at several places prior to burying in a trench. Then new shoots sprout from nicked points. That means nicked points, new shoot arise from the nicked points of the buried shoot. Then new shoots are detached for individual replanting. So this shoot can be used as individual plants. So this is the process of trench layering. Then mound layering. Mound layering is also called stool layering. It is accomplished by first cutting back the mother plant close to the ground, most often in the late winter. The pruning causes new shoots to grow in spring. Here you can see that first we need to cut the whole plant, then soil is covered the plant with soil. Then new shoot are arise from this plant, and in the ground portion, and new roots are formed there, and this portion can be used as an individual plant. So this is known as mound layering. Then air layering. We already know about the air layering. This is a easy process, and we can use in it as a common layering process. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to select a specific plant, and then we need to select a special type of branches for layering, such as in this type of diameter or pencil diameter. Then T-shaped cut is occur. We need to expose the bark, and we can use different types of rooting hormone around the woody portion or removal bark portion. Then we can use different types of media for rooting media. Then we can use different types of binding tape for wrapping the portion. Then after 6 to 8 weeks root formation occurs. Then we can cut them and we can use them as a individual plant. So this is the process of air layering. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.